Hello viewers, this is HappyMaths on the platform. We have factors. We want to consider to find factors of a number. But please, if this is the first time you've seen our video, see the subscribe button. Now we use the first method. Factors are a number that is divided to get another number. For example, 1 is a factor of 36 and 36 itself is a factor of itself. So let's go. 36 will give us 1 times 36. Then 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, 6 times 6, 7 is not a factor, 8 is not a factor, 9 is already here. So how do we go about it? Look at. Then you can call from here. These are the numbers 6 and 6 appear here. So let's listen. Therefore, the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. And 36. Now, let's check method 2. Now, for the method 2, we have 36. 36 divided by 1, you get 36. 36 divided by 2, you get 18. Divide by 3, you get 12. Divide by 4, you get 9. 36 divided by 6, you get 6. 7 is not, 8 is not. Now, let's go. Therefore, 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 6 is both common, then 9 is 12, 18, and 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means there is a missing number. Please, 5 is not a factor here. Let's get that clear. 5 is not a factor. Hit the subscribe button and follow us for more. Bye.